Hi everybody, this is Jarno, PI3DMI. I recently bought a new key, and for the people who follow me and look on this channel, they will probably know I like small keys like this one from Bamatech. It's a straight key, but that's not the key I bought. I found on a website from November 6 Alpha Radio Alpha. He has an electronics site and you can buy small paddle keys. And I don't own a paddle key. So I found it interesting because you can buy, it starts at $15 for the simple key. And I bought a complete package with the cable and the housing. So this is the key itself. It's a small paddle key, and why so cheap? Well, I bought it because I don't own a paddle key and I don't know if I like it. So first of all, I thought, well, let's try it. Assembly is very simple. It's just you can click it in the housing. Normally you can take it with you, and it becomes a small enclosure for your paddle key. But if you get it out, I'll put this one inside. Oh. Big hands. Small key. Well, this is the key itself, and if you press it inside, you can hold it while keying. There's two of these. There are two small tools for adjusting the levers if they're not correct adjusted anymore. So let's see how it works. Okay. Oh dear. Well, two pedals. Well, speed 9. 9 is okay. Does it work? Yeah, it works. It's a nice piece of hardware. It's only it starts at $15. It's very simple, and because I always take my radio equipment with me. And then it's safe. You can adjust or put those with you. And this snaps on the cable, so that's always handy. You're never gonna lose it like that. So, just a small movie about my new paddle key. I will take it along with my normal straight key and my FT817. So, small movie. Bye bye everyone.